Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can unfollow an account on Substack. So if you already subscribed to an account and you're also following it and you wish to unfollow, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So I'm going to use this account as an example. I'll unfollow and then follow it back because I like the content from it. So to do this, go ahead and search for the account, and once you have found it, go ahead and tap on it. As you can see, I'm already subscribed to this account, but the problem is I want to unfollow the account. However, you can see we don't have that option. This is because I'm already subscribed. So for you to be able to unfollow the account, you need to go ahead and first unsubscribe from the account by just tapping on this, or by just going up here and then choose unsubscribe. So if I tap on this, now you can see I'm not subscribed, but I'm following now. The following button has been exposed. To unfollow now, go ahead and tap on the following here. So if you just tap on following here, I'll unfollow the account as you can see it here. Alternatively, if I go ahead and tap on this ellipsis up here, we have an option to unfollow this friends note. So you can either unfollow also from here and it will be done. So that's how you can unfollow an account on Substack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.